friends, welcome to Anjum's kitchen, and today we are going to make a vegetable that is French beans. We are going to make French beans in coconut gravy. So let's see how to make this. We are going to take 250 grams of French beans nicely washed and chopped, 1 medium sized onion, 1 medium sized tomato, half teaspoon of turmeric powder and half teaspoon or 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 2 garlic flakes. Next, we are going to take 2 teaspoons of fresh chopped coconut, around 4 green chilies and 4 curry leaves. We'll give this a quick grind for 30 seconds till we get a coarse mixture like this. We are not going to add any water when we grind this. We just want a grated texture to look like this, which we are going to use in our vegetable later. So now I'm going to keep this aside and we are going to proceed with the cooking of the vegetable. Let's take a pan, add 1 tablespoon of oil to it. Then to this I'm going to add around half teaspoon to 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. We'll just roast it slightly, then add in the chopped garlic and I'll saute this. Next to this I'm going to add finely chopped onion and finely chopped tomatoes. Again, I'm going to saute this nicely till it changes color. Once it starts changing color, I'm going to add in around 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 to 1.5 teaspoon. Salt we can adjust later as well, but we don't want to overdo it. We'll stir the mixture well and add in half teaspoon of turmeric powder. I'm going to saute all this well nicely till it gets a lovely yellow color. And let the onions and tomatoes soften up. Now to this we'll add in the French beans. Add in all the French beans and mix it well. At this point, we are going to add in the grated coconut. Add in the entire grated coconut to this that we had ground. This is around quarter coconut which we have ground. So that is more than enough for quarter kg of French beans. We'll stir this well for around 2 minutes till we get a lovely aroma. And to this now we are going to add half glass of water. I'm not going to stir when I add the water. I'm just adding the water to develop some steam, and I'm going to cover this and cook this on low flame for around 5 minutes. See, after 5 minutes it's left steam and it's mixed up well. The aroma of the coconut and the garlic and the spices is lovely. So now I'll add 2 cups or just enough water to cover the vegetable. We should never add too much of water because we don't want to overcook the vegetable. So it's approximately around 2 cups of water or just enough to cover the vegetable. So we can just feel it like this. Just tap it a bit. And now I'm going to increase the flame to the medium flame and cover and cook this for around 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes, coming back to the vegetable, it's done well. See? It's changed color and the aroma is just fantastic. There's a little bit of water left still, so we're going to add salt to this. If in case it's required, you can add the salt, or if the salt is enough, then it's fine. The salt should always be a little bit less in vegetables. Never overdo the salt in vegetables. Just cook it in the open pan till the water evaporates for around 2 to 3 minutes and our vegetable is ready. You can serve this with pulkas, chapatis, parathas or dal rice. It tastes well with anything. It's a perfect accompaniment for a rainy day. Do try this recipe at home. I'm sure that you will love it. And this dish is not just delicious, but it's also highly nutritious as it has coconut, which has high level of manganese, which is good for bone strength, and it has French beans, which has loads of vitamins and minerals, especially vitamin B, which is good for health. For more such recipes, stay tuned to my channel. Keep watching. Do like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.